Hello guys and welcome back to Fintechs. So today we are going to talk about what is stock market and what is a stock exchange. So let's come to what is stock market. So for that basically we have to understand what is market. A market is a place. It is not essential that is a physical place. It is a place where buyer meets seller. A market is a place which acts as a medium between buyer and seller. So as we go to normal markets to buy our daily stuff, so stock market is basically a market which deals in exchange of securities and shares. And for your clarity, I would like to tell you that stocks and shares are the same thing. Basically, bundle of shares are called stocks. The stock market acts as a medium between buyer and seller who are looking forward to buy or sell the same share at a particular stock exchange. Therefore, exchange of stocks happen at the stock market. So broadly there are two stock exchanges in India, BSE and NSE. BSE is Asia's first stock exchange and NSE, which is National Stock Exchange, was developed in 1982 and maximum trading happening in India is on NSE. There are many other stock exchanges in India such as Ludhiana Stock Exchange. These stock exchanges are basically divided as per their region and they are not very much active but they are still functional. But the main trading which happens and take over in India are on BSE and NSE. So stock exchange are very important as they act as a medium, and if you don't have a proper medium or a platform from which you can buy or sell securities, you won't be able to do that seamlessly, and therefore these are necessary for real time and quick transaction to happen. So next we are going to talk about why the company issues shares. So basically for that we have to understand that how are shares issued and sold. So shares are issued in two ways. The first one is IPO and second one is from secondary market. So in IPO, which is called initial public offer, initial public offer is when the company offers the shares to the public at large or other financial institutions for the very first time. So this is called IPO. IPO, there is a specific number of shares which are bundled in lots which you have to buy. You can't just buy one or two shares. There are specific number of lots, number of shares in a particular lot from which you can buy. And also there is cases of under subscription, over subscription, so you might or might not get that share at that particular price. Next we come to secondary market. So once the shares are issued to the initial public offerings, so after that they can sell their shares at the stock exchange, and from which is the secondary market, from where others who are interested in buying that share can buy them further. So these were the two primary and secondary market. And I will also like to discuss that you can't buy a share directly from stock exchange. You have to register yourself in a depository participant, which are basically called brokers, from where you have to register your account and then you can trade with the help of depository in the stock exchange market. It is the same way as you can't get your account opened in RBI. You have to get your account opened in a bank which is registered in RBI. You have to open a demat account in order to undergo trading activity. If you don't have a demat account, you can't trade in shares. So that's all for today. Hope you got the basic understanding of what is a stock market and what was the need and functions of a stock market. Functions, basically there are many other functions of stock market such as regulatory functions and other things, but here I just discussed what is important for an retail investor point of view, as functions of stock market can be a very wide and detailed topic. We will not cover that extensively in this video. So that's all for today guys. Hope you like this video. So keep watching and keep learning.